Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. My name is Yohanes Dimas, or you can call me Dimas. I'm a student from Electronic Engineering Polytechnic Institute of Surabaya. In this video, I will explain my experience or opinion about remote learning. Remote learning itself, according to me, is a tool to help students to continue their study at home. Of course, because of this coronavirus pandemic, we have to study at home to not spread the virus. We have never experienced something like this before. We always go to school to study with our teacher face to face, so it was difficult. My experience in the beginning of remote learning, it was hard for us or for the teacher because of the limitation of the remote learning itself. We cannot ask freely about the lesson if we didn't understand, or the lecturer cannot ask us if we understood it or not. Especially in polytechnic like us in PENS vocational school, it was really hard because we have to do many lab work in the laboratory, but we cannot do that because of course we have to stay at home. We can't go to campus. So in exchange of that, we have to do many simulation work in software in our computer. And the other difficulties is the internet connection to do the remote learning. In order to do remote learning, we have to use something like a video call service or apps or something like Ethel, and to meet our lecturer. And to use that service, usually it needs a lot of internet data, and it's not actually usually not cheap. Of course, if we have a Wi-Fi network connection in our house, it doesn't matter, but not all students have the leisure of having something like that. On the flip side of remote learning can be useful too, because we have a lot more free time in our hands, so we can do many useful things, like we can learn how to cook or learn how to program, something like that, to improve our skills in the future. And lastly, my suggestion to improve this remote learning experience for me is to coordinate everything. What I mean by that is every lecturer or every student is need to coordinate the time they want to give the lesson, or the how much task or assignment the lecturer give to the student. Because right now what I experience is every lecturer is giving us assignment. It's okay if it's only one or two lecturer giving us a task or assignment, but what I experience, every lecturer has giving us a lot of assignment to do. Usually the due date is only 1 week, but the task itself can stack up so much that it's too much to handle for us, the students. So yeah, that's it, my opinion about remote learning. Thank you so much.